Okay, so today we are looking at a new Bluetooth speaker, and this is a Bluetooth speaker from Tozo, and you can see your Tozo store. But I'm going to show this stuff to you on the actual Amazon because if you're interested right now, $39.99. That's US prices, but still really, really good pricing, and like 4.5 stars, 831 ratings. This is the Tozo PA2 Bluetooth speaker with dual drivers and dual bass diaphragms, IPX8, which is great. So if you want to take this camping or whatever, put it out around the hot tub, stuff like that. Waterproof, 25 hours of playtime, also really good. So if you're going away, for instance, I'll be heading away for a little 4-day motorcycle trip. That'll have been done by the time you guys see this. But this, I think I'm going to bring to put in the room or be able to sit outside when, the day's done and you just want to kind of relax. 25 hours, I should only have to charge this before I leave, and it should be good for the whole trip. Custom equalizer, wireless speaker for home outdoors travel. You guys can see it here, just some whatever. Look at this lady. She looks like she's giving her, right? 2,000 milliamp battery. That's good. And it says 25 hours. So I'm guessing 25 hours, probably not a full volume. IPX8, which is awesome. Pocket size portability. And it does say it has a Tozo app. So before we go any further, I'm going to just come in here under the App Store, because if it has a Tozo app, we want to make sure that's coming. So let's just come in here and download that. Now, I'm hoping that they have an actual thing on their website, because it does say, it says Tozo, right? And it says App Store on here. But when you go online, just so you can tell, there are a couple Tozo, right? There's this Tozo Tech. I'm doing that one. I'm hoping that's the right. Oh, I have it installed. Well, then that's even better. Let's hope it's that one. Okay, so let's crack this open. This is the box, Tozo PA2 portable stereo, right? Waterproof. Excellent. You guys, again, can see the box if you're at all interested. And I got weird stickers on my knife. Okay, just do that. And we'll see what's in here. I have good feelings. And I like the fact that it's tiny, right? Well, I don't say tiny, but $40 US, that's excellent, because you go to I always think when you go to just a high end store, let's say you're going to an Apple store, right, to look at stuff like this, you're not finding really any speakers that have any kind of decent quality. And I don't know what the quality is like of this yet, so I'm not going to say it's what it's like, but you're going to spend over $100 probably. Anyways, there is your I'm guessing this is the manual. Yeah, so you got some information on there. Very cool. This is like the key functions, very sweet. Big fonts. You know how much I like that. The box itself is very well put together. It's got good pad. Ooh, red. Oh yeah, because you can come in here, and it does come in black. It comes in this, I guess it's like a, I don't know, beigey color, right? There's beigey color there. And red. Oh, I like the red. I do like the red. That's nice. I never know what color the companies are sending me, right? So that's okay. I like that for sure. It feels very well sealed sticker. Even all the buttons, of course. Nice sealing on them. USB. Okay. All right, I'm down. And I'm guessing it primarily would sit this way, like sit horizontal, because if not, you probably could put it that way, but we'll see. We'll see if we stand it up, if it sounds any different. And then last but not least, inside the box itself, you get a black USB-A to USB-C. And oh, that's nice. You get a little like a wrist strap that must go on there somehow. Oh, right there. So you just kind of throw that in there. Am I going to do that right now? I wasn't gonna, but I've already started, so I am. Okay, so there we go. That's in there. That's all we need. Put that like that. And we got a wrist strap. Sweet. You can hang that from a tree, right? Hang that from whatever when you're out giving her. All right, let's just put that like that. It wants to roll. Just so you guys know, if you want the logo up, you'd be like, that's what I want. And you would be like, no, it just wants to sit like that. Same thing, right? It wants to sit that way, which is fine, because this is the back, and I guess that's the front, so it fires out that way. There's all your goodness over here. All right, so let's see what happens here. First off, I'm gonna have the app, and I'm gonna add. says that needs to be turned on, which that makes complete sense. Let's just power this up. And it could be very much that this is dead. Yeah. So let's plug it in, shall we? I guess that should help, I would think. So this goes in there, that goes in there. We do get a little charge indicator, which is good. Let's try now, just to see. There we go. And the little Bluetooth fella looks like it's flashing. So let's see if we come up here. Searching nearby, it says. Now you may need to go into the actual Bluetooth and do it from there. I don't even know. So let's just see if something shows up in the bottom. So I held this down and it made this weird beepy sound. I'm guessing that's the Bluetooth logo icon, whatever. And I'm gonna go back here and see. It did make a weird dingy sound. So it did find it in my Bluetooth. So there it is, Topaz PA2. So you do have to hold the Bluetooth button down. So we're gonna connect it here. So once that's good. And then once you come over here, it finds it. So this doesn't search the Bluetooth. You have to be connected to Bluetooth. Then you find it here, and now you can click on it. Now it's connected. Very good. Yeah, you can see I barely had any power. Now there's also a little gear indicator up here that says that there's a firmware update. So let's do that. Update. Tips, low battery may cause whatever. Update. Oh, it has to be over 60. So anyway, it does show in the app that there are firmware updates, so we have to get it charged up. Anyway, make sure you do your update for sure. When you click on here, though, let's see. This is all kinds of current EQ, right? So you got an EQ. You can do sound effects here. So you got standard, bass plus, classic dance, rock, treble, etc., etc. My guess is that you could probably, so you could play with the equalizer as well. So if you want to do this, and then you have the ability to save it. So I can just be like, no, don't want to save it. Don't, right? Do you want to confirm? I don't want to save any of that. Oh, I think it saved it. Let's go back in here. Standard. Yeah, here we go. Okay. And everything is good. Let's listen to some non-copyrighted sound, shall we? Just to see what it's actually like. And this is just standard. So let me just bring up one here. Copyright free. Ready? Okay. So I'm going to turn it a little bit more toward me. Drink it up here. And yeah, you could put it up or down, no problem. Right? You could stand it like this. And that's just in standard. So I'm curious, if I went over here and I switched it to bass plus, it does do a graph, like a equalizer curve for sure. See vocal? Yeah, there's little changes. It's not huge in the change, but it's there. I'd probably just keep it at bass. Sounds good though. Yeah, it sounds good. Let's just try another one here just to see. I don't even know what these are, but they're copyright free, so. You know what? For $40 US, zero complaints, really. Oh yeah, that sounds great. I don't know what the volume is like. It's loud enough for like a hotel room. Don't expect it to be like, oh my gosh, this is going to be something I could use outside for an outdoor party. No, but if you're, a bunch of you sitting around the fire at your place, you got a little propane fire going on, you're camping and you just want some music in the background, it's going to be great. If you got, a kid or something like that and they want some music in the room, I think it's going to be great. I think it's going to be perfect for that. Plus, they have some color options, which is good. That red's sharp. And you don't have to invest a ton of money. Or if they're looking for buying something, can you get louder? Sure. Can you probably, I don't even know. The sound sounds pretty good. I'm not an audiophile, but 95% of us out there aren't either. We just want some music in the background. And I think because of its size, this is a great option. You could easily put this in your carry-on. If you're traveling, you can throw it. For me, I can throw it on a motorcycle. It's not going to take up much room at all. Or you can just put it in your luggage, throw it in the back of the car, whatever, Yeah, I'm down. That's all right. Like I said, 831 reviews at this point in time, 4.5 stars. I think it's great. I'll put links down below if you guys are at all interested in this fine fella right there, because it's kind of sexy. All right, guys, that's the Tozo PA2, and links down below if you're interested, and we will see you guys next video. Later.